In this question, we have to find minimum number of carbon atom in alkane molecule having 4 primary carbon atom. So first of all, primary carbon is the carbon which is directly connected with one other carbon atom. So if we take neopentane molecule, so in neopentane, now each carbon is connected with one other carbon atom. So these atoms are 1 degree carbon. Now this carbon is connected with 4 carbon. So this is 4 degree carbon. So for a molecule to have 4 1 degree carbon, we require minimum 5 carbon. So correct answer is C. In this molecule, we have to find secondary carbon atom in methyl cyclopropane molecule. So methyl cyclopropane molecule is having 3-membered ring with one methyl substituent. So now these 2 carbon atom are 2 degree carbon, while the carbon which is connected with 3 other carbon atom is 3 degree carbon, and this is 1 degree carbon. So total 2 degree carbon atoms are present, is equal to 2. So correct answer is C. All the following are composed of secondary carbon atom only except. In this question, we have to find which of the following molecule is not having only secondary carbon. So if we take a structure of propane molecule, it is having both 1 degree and 2 degree carbon. Now this is 1 degree carbon because this carbon is directly connected with one other carbon atom. But now this carbon is 2 degree carbon because connected with 2 carbon atom. So propane molecule is having both type of carbon, 1 degree and 2 degree carbon. While if we take cyclohexane molecule, then in cyclohexane all the carbon atoms are connected with 2 other carbon. So all the carbon atoms are 2 degree carbon. If we take aniline molecule, in aniline all the carbon atoms are directly connected with 2 other carbon atoms. So aniline also have 6 2 degree carbon. In case of phenol, similarly all the carbon atoms are connected with 2 other carbon atom. So 2 degree carbon is equal to 6. So only propane molecule is not having all secondary carbon. It is also having 1 degree carbon. So correct answer is A. In this question, we have to find which of the following are tertiary radical. So if carbon atom which is having free valency is directly connected with 3 other carbon atom, then it is said to be tertiary. So A is tertiary radical because this carbon is having free valency and now this is directly connected with 3 other carbon atom. So this is 3 degree radical. A is 3 degree. While if we take B, now the carbon which is having free valency is only directly connected with 2 other carbon atom. So now this is 2 degree radical, 2 degree radical, 2 degree carbon. In case of C, now the carbon atom which is having free valency is directly connected with 3 other carbon atom. So this is also 3 degree carbon. So A and C are 3 degree carbon. While in case of D, the carbon which is having free valency is directly connected with one other carbon atom. So now this carbon which is having free valency, which is having radical, is 1 degree. This is 1 degree radical. So correct answer is A and C. So correct answer is A option. In this question, we have to find alkane which have only primary and tertiary carbon. So primary carbon is the carbon which is directly attached with one other carbon atom, while tertiary carbon is the carbon atom which is directly attached with 3 other carbon atom. So if we take pentane molecule, then pentane is having only 1 degree carbon and 2 degree carbon. For example, this is 1 degree carbon directly connected with one other carbon atom, and this carbon atom is 2 degree carbon. If we take second example, 2-methyl butane. So in 2-methyl butane, 1 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon and 3 degree carbon atoms are present. While in question it is asked molecule must have 1 degree and 3 degree tertiary carbon. So if we take option C, 2,2-dimethyl propane, 2,2-dimethyl propane, this molecule is having 1 degree carbon and 4 degree carbon. So pentane, 2-methyl propane and 2,2-dimethyl propane are not correct answer. If we take answer D, option D, molecule is 2,3-dimethyl butane, and in 2,3-dimethyl butane we have 1 degree carbon. So these are 1 degree carbon, total 1 degree carbon is equal to 4. Now this carbon is directly connected with 3 other carbon atom. So this is 3 degree carbon. So this molecule is having 3 degree carbon and 1 degree carbon. So correct answer is D. In this question we have to find simplest alkene containing 3 primary carbon atom. So if we take first example, isobutylene. So isobutylene is having 3 primary carbon atom. So correct answer is A. If we take next example, beta-butylene. So this molecule is beta-butylene, but it is having only 1 degree and 2 degree carbon. This is 1 degree carbon and this is 2 degree carbon. If we take alpha-butylene, alpha-butylene is also having only 1 degree and 2 degree carbon. For example, this is 1 degree carbon and this is 2 degree carbon. If we take isopentane, so this is the example of isopentane. Isopentane is also having 3 primary carbon atom, but in the question it is also the simplest alkene. So correct answer is A. In this question we have to find primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary carbon atom in isooctane molecule. So if we draw a structure of isooctane, isooctane is having 5 carbon in main chain and 2 alkyl radical at second carbon and 1 methyl radical at 4th carbon. So this is isooctane molecule, and in this molecule this is 1 degree carbon because directly connected with one other carbon atom. This is also 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree and 1 degree. So molecule is having 5 1 degree carbon. Now if we take this carbon atom is connected with 3 other carbon atoms. So this is 3 degree carbon. So 3 degree carbon is equal to 1. Now this carbon atom is directly connected with 2 other carbon atoms. So this is 2 degree carbon. And if we take this carbon atom which is directly connected with 4 other carbon atoms, this carbon is connected with 4 other carbon atoms. So now this is 4 degree carbon. So 3 degree carbon 1, 2 degree carbon 1 and 4 degree carbon 1. So correct answer is 5 and 1 1 1. In this question we have to find number of secondary carbon atom present in given compounds. So if we take first example, benzene. In benzene all the carbon atoms are directly connected with 2 other carbon atoms. So all the carbon atoms are 2 degree. So 2 degree carbon is equal to 6. If we take next molecule which is also known as orthoxylene, in this molecule the carbon atom from which methyl group is attached, these 2 carbon atoms are 3 degree carbon and This is 1 degree carbon, so this molecule is having 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree both type of carbon, and these carbon atoms are 2 degree carbon, so this is having 4 2 degree carbon. If we take third molecule, which is also known as toluene, so the carbon from which CH3 group is attached is 3 degree carbon, while other carbon atoms are directly connected with 2 other carbon atoms, so 2 degree carbon is equal to 5. So first is having 6 2 degree carbon, second is having 4 2 degree carbon, and third is having 5 2 degree carbon, 6 4 5, and hence correct answer is A. Which of the following have only 2 degree hydrogen atom? So in this question we have to find which of the following molecule are having only 2 degree hydrogen atom. If we take first molecule, so these carbon atoms are 2 degree carbon atom. Now hydrogen attached with these carbon atom is 2 degree hydrogen. This molecule is also having 3 degree carbon, but 3 degree carbon is not attached with any hydrogen atom because its valencies are satisfied by sigma and pi bond with other carbon atom. So 2 degree hydrogen atom is equal to 8 and 3 degree hydrogen atom is equal to 0. So all the hydrogen atoms are 2 degree. If we take next molecule, in this molecule these 5 carbon in the each ring are 2 degree carbon. Now the hydrogen attached with these carbon atom is 2 degree, so 2 degree hydrogen is equal to 10. Now the 3 degree carbon atom, these two are 3 degree carbon atom, but these carbon atoms are not attached with any other hydrogen atom, so 3 degree hydrogen is equal to 0. If we take next molecule, in this molecule these 5 carbon atoms are 2 degree carbon which is attached with 1 hydrogen, so 2 degree hydrogen is equal to 5. Now this carbon atom is 3 degree carbon, but it is not attached with any other hydrogen, so 3 degree hydrogen is equal to 0. But this carbon is 1 degree carbon, so hydrogen attached with 1 degree carbon or 1 degree hydrogen, so 1 degree hydrogen is equal to 3. So this molecule is having both type of hydrogen, 2 degree hydrogen and 1 degree hydrogen. While in last molecule these carbon atoms are 2 degree carbon, so these 5, this is also 2 degree carbon, and these 5 atoms are 2 degree carbon, so 2 degree hydrogen 5 plus 2 hydrogen attached with this carbon, so 2 degree hydrogen is equal to 12. Now these 2 carbon atoms are 3 degree carbon but not attached with any hydrogen, so 3 degree hydrogen is equal to 0. So this molecule is having 12 2 degree hydrogen and 0 3 degree hydrogen, so all the hydrogen atoms are 2 degree. So molecule A, B and D are having all the hydrogen 2 degree, hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find secondary radical. Secondary radical is the carbon atom which is having free valency and connected with 2 other carbon atoms. So if 2 degree carbon is having free valency, then it is called 2 degree radical. So if we take first molecule, first radical, now the carbon atom which is having free valency is directly connected with 2 other carbon atoms, so this is 2 degree radical or secondary radical. Now this carbon is also having free valency and connected with 2 carbon atom, no matter it is connected with single bond or double bond, while degree only depend on atoms which are directly connected with carbon atom. So this is also 2 degree carbon. Now this radical is having free valency and not connected with any other carbon atom, so this is not 2 degree radical. If we take last example, this is isopropyl radical, and if we open the molecule, then we find isopropyl radical is having free valency on 2 degree carbon, hence it is also 2 degree radical. So correct answer is A, B and D. So D option is correct. In this question we have to find simplest alkyne containing at least one primary carbon, one secondary and one tertiary carbon atom. Now simplest alkyne means alkyne with minimum number of carbon which must contain primary, secondary and tertiary, all the three types of carbon atom. So if we take first example, isobutene. Isobutene is incorrect nomenclature. Isobutene structure does not exist, while isobutene is this molecule. This structure is not possible because carbon is having 5 bond, making 5 bond, while carbon can only make maximum up to 4 bonds. So this molecule does not exist. 2-methyl-1-butene molecule, if we take next example, so 1-butene, 2-methyl, this molecule also does not exist because carbon is having 5 valency. If we take third example, 3-methyl-1-butene, so 1-butene, 1 first position is having triple bond and in third position methyl group is attached. Now this molecule is having all the three types of carbon. These carbon atoms are primary carbon. Now if we take this carbon atom, this is 3 degree carbon, and now this carbon is 2 degree carbon. So this molecule is having all the three type of carbon atom, 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. If we take last example, 2-methyl-3-butene, so this structure 2-methyl-3-butene is incorrect naming because we have to start naming from triple bond. So this molecule must be named 3-methyl and 1-butene. So correct answer is C. D, here in the case of D, nomenclature of the compound given is not correct. In this compound we have to find 2 degree hydrogen atom. So if we draw the structure of the molecule, cyclohexane ring. Now these carbon atom, which atoms are connected with 4 other carbon atom, are 4 degree carbon. So these are 4 degree carbon. Now the carbon atom which is directly attached with 2 degree carbon, with 2 carbon, is called 2 degree carbon. So this molecule is having 3 2 degree carbon. Now these carbon atoms which are connected with only one other carbon atom, these are 1 degree carbon, and degree of hydrogen depend on degree of carbon from which they are attached. So hydrogen attached with 2 degree carbon are called 2 degree hydrogen. So these is 2 degree carbon is connected with 2 hydrogen. So total, if we count 2 degree hydrogen, is equal to 6. So this molecule is having 2 degree hydrogen 6. So correct answer is C. In this question we have to find number of 3 degree and 2 degree carbon atoms. So 3 degree carbon atom is the carbon which is directly connected with 3 other carbon atom, while 2 degree carbon is the carbon which is directly connected with 2 other carbon atom. So in this molecule, this carbon is 3 degree carbon connected with 3 other carbon. This is 3 degree carbon, this is 3 degree carbon, this is 3 degree carbon and this is 3 degree carbon. So total 3 degree carbon is equal to 5. Now if we count 2 degree carbon, so 2 degree carbon is the carbon atom which is directly connected with 2 other carbon atom. So this is 2 degree carbon, this is 2 degree carbon, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 2 degree carbon is equal to 6. If we have to calculate 1 degree carbon, then 1 degree carbon, this is 1 degree carbon, 1 degree carbon and 1 degree carbon. So 1 degree carbon is equal to 3. We have to find 3 degree and 2 degree carbon. So correct answer is 5 and 6. Hence option A is correct. In this question we have to find 3 degree and 2 degree carbon in following given compound. So 3 degree carbon is the carbon atom which is directly connected with 3 other carbon atom, and 2 degree carbon is the carbon which is directly connected with 2 other carbon atom. So if we count this carbon, this is 3 degree carbon, now this is 3 degree carbon, this is 3 degree carbon, this is 3 degree carbon, 3 degree carbon, 3 degree carbon, 3 degree carbon and 3 degree carbon. So total number of 3 degree carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of 3 degree carbon is equal to 8. So now if we have to count 2 degree carbon, so 2 degree carbon is the carbon atom which is directly connected with 2 other carbon atom. For example, this carbon is connected with this carbon and this carbon, so this is 2 degree carbon. So 2 degree carbon 1, 2, now this is 3 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 2 degree carbon in given molecule is equal to 9. If we have to count 1 degree carbon, so 1 degree carbon, this is 1 degree carbon, 1 degree carbon, 1 degree carbon and 1 degree carbon, and 1 degree carbon is equal to total 4. So correct answer is D, 3 degree carbon 8 and 2 degree carbon 9. In this question we have to find degree of alcohol. So degree of alcohol depend on degree of carbon from which it is directly attached. So here in first case OH group is attached with 2 degree carbon, so this alcohol is 2 degree alcohol. In case B, OH function group is directly connected with 1 degree carbon, and degree of alcohol depend on degree of carbon from which it is directly attached. So B is 1 degree alcohol. So correct answer is 4. A is secondary alcohol and B is primary alcohol. An organic compound has molecular formula C9H18. It is saturated hydrocarbon and all hydrogen atoms are identical. Identify its structural formula. So we have to find the molecule which is having molecular formula C9H18 and it must contain all hydrogen identical. So if we take first molecule, this molecule is having 1 degree hydrogen as well as 2 degree hydrogen as well as 3 degree hydrogen. So this is not correct structure. If we take B, option B, then in this molecule all the hydrogen atom are 1 degree, because all the hydrogen atoms are connected directly with 1 degree carbon. So 1 degree hydrogen is equal to total 2, 4, 6 and 3, 18. So all the 18 hydrogen atoms are identical and they all are 1 degree. While in the case of C, we have 1 degree hydrogen, we have 2 degree hydrogen and we have 3 degree hydrogen. So all the type of 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree hydrogen atoms are present. In option D, we have 1 degree hydrogen, we have 3 degree hydrogen which is connected with 3 degree carbon, and we have 2 degree hydrogen which are connected with 2 degree carbon. So option B is the correct answer because all the hydrogen atoms are connected with 1 degree carbon. So correct answer is B.